Hey, flockers! Today's video, we're going to talk about the Olympics. The flock was very excited about the Feathered Olympics and eagerly participated in the games. We started with the opening ceremonies. I played a very special, heartfelt song I wrote for the event. Then it was time to bop the games in. I proudly waved my country's flag and wore the special winter gear that was made for the event. Competition was fierce. We took part in many snowy sports. Which country sent the rabbit to compete? My Ooman partnered in ice walking. I tried a ski jump. There was bobsledding. Quite the team with Tico, Vasco, and Tikel sledding with me. We won gold for cutest sled. A lot more competition too. A wild cage swing, competitive fling and throw. And of course, we can't forget cup toss either. The Olympic Committee was very generous, letting us participate in the demonstration sport, Wally Crunch. Tico tried his beak at competitive foraging. And Tikel proved that he wasn't too old for gymnastics. Tico was busy. It looked like he entered a squash eating competition. It was clearly beak to beak with Einstein. Medal ceremonies were also very touching. We were each handed a bouquet of feathers as we took the podium. I was very proud to see representation of Einstein and Tango from the US, Vasco from the Netherlands, and friends from across the globe. The Olympics were very exciting, and I think we should play these games more often. Hey, Ooman, is that medal edible? If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Beak that subscribe button, join the flock, and cheer on Team Max.